What up, peeps? Oh, sorry. It's like windy outside because like the weather is crappy right now, and I have just never mind. Okay, so I'm going to Panera to get a bagel and Gloria Jeans to get a coffee because I love to waste my money. So I got a new drink and it's the caramel chocolate or it's the chocolate caramel turtle, and I don't know how I feel about it. It's okay. She said it's just as good as the one I usually get, the red velvet, but I'm not feeling it. But the only thing that is good about it is the chocolate caramel drizzle. That's on the bottom, but that's on every drink. So I'm back home now. Ew, I literally I hate myself. Just kidding, but okay, I got me a cranberry walnut bagel because my boyfriend was like, let's get Panera yesterday for breakfast. I was like, who the hell wants Panera for breakfast? He wanted the soup, not even just like a bagel. But I was like, alright, fine, I'll get a bagel. And oh my gosh, it's so good. So I'm just gonna eat this freaking bagel. Oh yeah, if y'all know I say y'all now because I've been to Texas twice, so you know what, I could say it, and my sister lives there, so I could say y'all. Okay, if you guys know what Dote is, it is this app. Tink, what are you doing? Okay, that's my dog. Okay, anyway, if you know what Dote is, it's this app. It's like a virtual mall. It's pretty dope, and if you use a code, you get $5 off. I will leave my code down below. I don't know it off the top of my hand, but please follow me on that because your girl is trying to be a dope girl. Like, that is my dream because it looks just so dope. They like go on all these cool vacations. Right now they're going to Fiji and I'm so jealous. So if you guys could get me to 30,000 subscribers on my channel by like tomorrow, just kidding, but like, yeah, subscribe if you haven't, and follow me on Dope because I actually really want to be a dope girl. I know that's like weird, but like, please, I know I'm not pretty enough, but please. What you want, girl? What you want? 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 Ooh, 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 ooh. Get it, girl. Ooh, 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 ooh. Shake that tail. Ooh, 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 ooh. This is what the bagel looks like. I just get plain cream cheese because if I get the other one, it's too sweet, and then the chive one obviously wouldn't go with it. So that's what that looks like. I'm just catching up on some OK Baby. And yeah, I took my shirt off because I was hot. Okay, I'm so ugly and I'm so sorry you have to stare at this. Tink, stop staring at me. Oh my god. Okay, so I plan to film a lot of videos today because the reason I haven't uploaded much was because I've been too busy to even like film. So editing obviously wasn't an option, and I hate editing. Like, editing is hard for me because I'm not good with technology. So I'm trying. And also I want to give a shout out to one of my great friends from school. His name is Lashawn, and he actually made my intro that is going to be in all of my videos from now on. He just started making animation drawings. I don't know exactly what it is, but he made one for his channel, which I'll link down below, so you should go check him out. He made one for his channel. I was like, can you make me one, please? I'm so bad at this. And then he was like, yeah, and he was so excited. So thank you so much, Lashawn. I love you. Can't wait to see you in class. So I just wrote down a list of things I need to do today, so I actually stay on track, because I'll say I have to do all this stuff and my lazy butt will just stay in my bed. So what up, fam? I just finished recording 2 videos because I'm a rock star. I kind of want to record more, but like, then again, I need to edit the ones I already have filmed, which I think I have 4 pre-filmed videos that I need to like edit and upload. But yeah, I'm actually excited for these 2 videos. One was a story time and one was about college, so I hope it's interesting. But But yeah, so now I'm just gonna edit those and maybe watch some YouTube videos again, because that's literally all I do, because YouTube is my life. So I wanted to be a YouTuber to make it my life more, because I love YouTube. Okay, yeah, so I'll update you guys for the next thing I do. So I decided, oh my god, I'm really sorry, like, I am a pig and I put everything on my bed or my dresser, and they're both messy right now. But besides the point, so I'm actually going to try editing on my vanity today, which is just right here. And I've heard that, because I usually, like, I'm always on my computer in bed or doing homework in bed, editing on bed, but I've heard that if you do that in bed, it's harder to sleep, and I've been obviously having trouble sleeping, so I'm gonna try this out. Since you watch my videos.
Nothing. What's good? What's up? Oh, girl, you can?
Happy birthday!
April. This camera makes me look pretty.
Psych.
Maybe that's why you look so good in your videos.
I look like a turd. I'm at Big Bowl with my boyfriend's sister. What's your name?
Azula.
What does that mean?
Blue.
Her name's Blue. I call her Blue. Okay. What grade are you in?
Okay.
What's your favorite thing about me?
That you're you.
Okay. Anything you'd like to say?
No.
Alright. Bye. Hola, Roy. Hola, Roy. Stop. Hola, Roy. Hola, Roy. Hola. Hola. Ow! He's such an asshole. This is Roy, and he's an asshole. He doesn't like females, so watch. I'll give him to... He's just gonna go on your shoulder. So when you laugh, he laughs with you. Watch. Say something to the camera.
Hi. You say something.
Hola, Roy.
No, when she says say something, just say something.
Oh,
Thank you, Mommy. Thank you, Mommy.
Record me and him kissing. So the creepiest thing just happened. Adolfo was gonna read his fortune cookie, and I was like, it's gonna say you're gonna die tonight. He opens it and he's like, the first word is you, and I was like, okay, and then it said you will live a long life. What the frick? That is so creepy. Okay, and I'm gonna end the vlog here, so thanks for watching. What? Give me a bed, please. Good night, everybody.